Hey y'all, it's Sheena. I'm gonna come back at you. I just did a video, and of course, as usual, it's not wanting to upload because I don't know what's going on. I think it may be the fact that I'm using a phone, my Android phone, to be able to do my cooking videos for y'all. Anyway, I am going to walk y'all through what I'm making today. I am making a soup. It is New York, where I'm at, upstate. I live, and we're calling for snow this weekend, y'all. Snow, and some places are going to get 6 to 8 inches of it, depending on where you're at up in this area. So I thought a pot of soup and would be warming to the soul, and everybody loves them. Some good old soup on a day when it's like in the 40s. So, anyway, what I started off with, and I'll have to get the package out. I started off with a package of one of these. It's the Rice Sides Cheddar Broccoli Rice. One package. You cook it like it says on the back. It calls for 1 3/4 cup of water and a half a cup of milk. Now, I did not add the tablespoon of margarine, which was optional. I did not put that in here because I was turning it into a soup. I cooked that for about 7-ish minutes. Then what I did was I had about another cup and a half of whole milk in my half gallon, and I am out of that. So I'm switching over to food pantry boxed milk. No, I don't like 1% milk, but it is all I got right now. And I am not going to the stove just for milk, folks. Yeah, I'm ghetto. I also put in my soup. About half of a 10-ounce bag of broccoli. It was Bird's Eye. I ordered it from Walmart. And I actually ordered the Walmart brand. They didn't have the Walmart brand. I got it upgraded to Bird's Eye. Thank you, Walmart. Thank you, Bird's Eye. I like Bird's Eye vegetables. They're good. I also had a can of Great Value chicken breast and then this chunk chicken breast. 2 small cans, same size as a can of tuna, 5 ounce. I also added a 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup. Now, I know that's a lot out of packages and cans right now, folks, but this is a recipe for those of you who are living on what you've got at your home. This is a COVID-19 kind of recipe, quarantine type thing. I also added some just regular black pepper. This is from Dollar General, and a box of some salt. My boxes of salt came from the food pantry. They have been giving those out a lot, or they were for a while, and every time they ask me if I wanted salt, yes I do. I like salt. And yes, I know there's plenty of sodium in the can of chicken and the can of cream of chicken soup and in the rice side. I still need more salt than that, folks. I'm a salt addict, along with my caffeine addiction. I mean, I need more coffee like I need a hole in the head. I need more iced tea like I need a hole in the head. I need more soda like I need a hole in the head. But I'm a caffeine addict. And yeah, people go, that's why you don't sleep at night. No, it's not. I've had 2 back surgeries. I don't get comfortable at night. It wouldn't matter if I didn't drink any caffeine at all. And believe me, I've done that. I've gone caffeine free for a while. Still couldn't sleep. So I boiled the chicken broccoli rice stuff according to package directions. Then after all that was done, and I added about 2 to 3 ounces of shredded cheddar, sharp cheddar. If you don't like sharp cheddar or cheddar cheese at all, go with some Colby Jack. Go with some mozzarella. Go with something you like. And now, the broccoli, it's broccoli florets. It's not cut broccoli. And I did not chop mine up any smaller than what they were in the bag. Now, folks, if you've got a little guy, little girl, that's toddler, preschool age, and you are feeding this to them for dinner, chop your vegetables up, okay? Just chop the broccoli up. You can also add frozen mixed vegetables to this to give you even more vegetables in here. I didn't today. I'm just keeping it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. But I was just doing a basic recipe. I'm going to show you what this looks like as it is getting in there. Now, that right there is what my pan looks like. And it's got everything in there. At this point, it's just going to be about 3 to 4 more minutes. And like I said, this is a very quarantine-friendly recipe, folks. It's also a very frugal recipe. A lot of times you can get, or at least I know I've seen them at our food pantries, like the sides like that. You can in fact, you could use like the rice-a-roni sides. That's like just chicken flavored, and then add, cheese and broccoli and chunk chicken in there and make a soup. It's not hard to come up with some recipes, especially if you are just going on what you can get at the store. I know up here it is still harder than heck to find a roll of toilet paper. Thank God I've got rolls of toilet paper right now. I don't know what I'd do without them, folks. It took me a while to get some of the other stuff that I needed. I did find Clorox swabs at our local Dollar General. But that's what's for dinner tonight. I wanted to give y'all another kind of dishing and cooking type recipe and some more ideas. If you don't know how to cook yet, this is a simple starter recipe. I know Miss Becky over at Hillbilly Kitchen, she's got a lot, and we'll put out her quick recipes and stuff. Tell me if y'all would be interested in me just putting up a list of the ingredients for each particular video, and I'll check into doing that, and the Lord be with all of you. I know a lot of y'all are struggling. Some of you I know have had family members that have been sick or have passed away from COVID or other problems right now. I've got a girlfriend lives near me that she just had to have surgery for cancer yesterday. And so, and that was postponed for a while up here because it was considered a non-essential surgery, although she had cancer. Anyway, God bless you. And if you don't know Jesus, the Bible says in John 3:16, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life." If you are sick with COVID, or you had somebody that you love die from COVID, and you want to know where you're going to spend your eternity, that is a good place to start. I'd like it if y'all could like, comment, and subscribe on my videos. Thanks a bunch. This has been Gina from Gina's Little Redneck Kitchen out here in Yankeeville. And I jokingly say Yankeeville. Yes, I live in New York, and yeah, I like where my house is. It's not a bad area. So thank you, and God bless you. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.